Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I will show with you how you can add a payment method bank into your account on Amazon Ads. So guys, open your Amazon Ads account if you don't have account, and go to this administration as you can see here, and scroll down. You find this option, sponsored ads billing. After that guys, go to payment setting. In my case guys, I added my card, credit card, and just click this option. You'll find added card if you don't add first time card. And in my case, I want to change my payment profile, and click this edit your card as you can see here. And you to just create a payment profile as you can see here, and click this credit card and add your credit card here guys, and click your save, and here add your number card and CVV, and the payment profile saved guys as you can see here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.